Today we are introduce best DJI Osmo Pocket 3 first use. Setting this up is incredibly satisfying. Just a quick flick of the rotating screen and the gimbal springs to life. After a seamless activation through the DJI Mimo app, we are ready to shoot. The Osmo Pocket 3 features a powerful 1-inch sensor that delivers stunning image quality with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Whether you are shooting in daylight or low light, the result look clean and professional. Standard combo warranty card. Disclaimer: DJI Wrist Strap Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo Quick Start Guide Osmo Mini Tripod. Disclaimer: the Creator Combo also includes additional accessories that enhance audio performance for professional quality content. Overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact, powerful, extremely easy to use. Whether you are beginner or an experienced creators, this device delivers impressive result in a small and portable design, stunning quality, and a camera that fits right in your pocket. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a smart choice for anyone who wants without carrying heavy equipment. Makes it perfect for travel, daily vlogging, cinematics shots, and even indoor content creation. The intelligent tracking system keeps your subject perfectly in focus, so do not have to worry about missing the moment. Battery life is also impressive, allowing you to shoot for longer sessions without frequent charging, and with fast charging support you can quickly power it up and get back to filming. But the real magic is the 1-inch sensor, which delivers stunning image quality even in low light. Whether you are a vlogger or a filmmaker, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a total game changer. But it is not just about the specs, it is about how easy it makes storytelling. From tracking your every move with Active Track to fitting perfectly in your pocket, this camera is ready for any adventure. So if you are looking to upgrade your content and take your video to the next level, the Osmo Pocket 3 is definitely worth it. It will be posting a full of cinematics test soon. The upgraded sensor performs brilliantly, capturing sharp detail and vibrant colors. Its rotating touchscreen makes framing shots easier than ever, whether you are filming horizontally or vertically. This built-in microphone also delivers clear and crisp audio, reducing the need for extra equipment. It also supports advanced colors profile, giving creators more flexibility in post-production. You are a traveler, a vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing high-quality memories, this tiny powerhouse is built for it. Also, if you are ready to stop worrying about gear and start focusing on your story, stay tuned, because the full cinematics test is coming up next, and I promise you do not miss what this thing actually do. Stay tuned for the full review and see how this device transform your filming experience forever. From its compact size to its professional-grade output, we are diving deep into every feature. But before we get into the detail, I want to hear from you. It is the size, color profiles, or the stabilization. If you are enjoying this deep dive, at time for main event. This thing is Osmo Pocket 3 for moving moment.